Hold on. You videotape it.
I'm taping, yeah.
Now you're just gonna, what you're gonna do is you're gonna touch it. Yeah, look at, as it gets hot, you're just gonna keep doing this until you see it melt. Then when it melts, I want you to do this, turn it around, come back and do that.
Okay.
Keep trying it until you don't want to get too hot. Hold on, pull it away. Otherwise the solder will heat up just because the torch is there. Try it again. It's okay. It's not going to burn you. Now do the other side. Do the other side. Like this. Look at. Okay. No, hold it. No, it's not. It cooled off.